Okay, hey guys. So today's video is gonna be how to set up a third person movement in Unity. So if you don't have Unity installed, just look up I guess a video on how to install Unity. Um, and then put it on your desktop. You don't have to put it on your desktop, but you should see Unity Hub, and if you do, just open it. Um, and then this will pop up, this hub thing, and it says projects. So go to new project. I don't know if the version matters, but sorry about my lisp. But yeah, I don't know if that matters, but um, yeah, go to either like Universal 3D or Universal 2D. I don't think it matters, but yeah. Then name your project name right here to whatever you want. Right now, I'm just gonna put I like boys. I don't actually. This is a project with this name already. That's not true. Let's put I like girls. Oh shoot. I like girls. Okay. Um, I don't like boys. That was a joke. But yeah. So yeah, go to Universal 3D, select your editor version or whatever, and then name your project name, and then create project. So hit this. Then this should load up where it says Unity Engine, this little thing. So yeah, I'm gonna edit this part out, but yeah. Okay, so I edited that part out, but yeah, once that loads, it will take you here. Um, this is where you create the games and third person movement and stuff. But yeah, and I don't know if anything will load here, but if there's like a green bar and it goes like this, and something loads like scripts or anything, just let it load, and then it will take you here with like a camera, uh, directional light, and global volume. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to copy that, but yeah. And then what you want to do is if you don't have, I'm just gonna show you now, but go to just go to Asset Store Web and then search. Wait for this to load. Go to yeah, go to Asset Store Web and then go to Starter Assets, third person updates. So yeah, just go to the Unity Asset Store and then search Starter Assets third person. You don't have to create an account, I don't think, but yeah. And then go to My Assets and then go to My Assets right here under the Package Manager and then import to projects. It would just say the like type like numbers right here. But yeah, go to import to projects. Just wait for this. If this pops up, go to install/upgrade because if you just hit skip, I'm pretty sure like it won't work correctly. So just install/upgrade and then wait for this to load. This will also load. It won't say Unity Package Manager probably, but this will load this little green thing when you force it open, but just let this all load and then we'll compile scripts and stuff. But yeah, just wait for this all to load. Anytime now. Anytime now. Alright, and this will all pop up. I know this is a lot, but just import. Hopefully you got a good enough computer to do all this. But yeah, just wait for this. I'm trying to make this a short video. But it doesn't matter. Just watch through, cause this is probably gonna be one of the best tutorial videos for this situation, probably. And then it will say in project. So if it says that, just go to project and then go under favorites. Go to assets. Go to starter assets. Go to third person controller. Go to no, not prefabs. Don't go there. Go to scenes and then go to playground and then this will open, and then it will show blue. Um, but if it does something like where it's missing textures or something's pink like this in the back, just go to window pipeline converter. Oh wait, hold up. Go to window, go to windowing, window pipeline converter, and then go to material upgrade, then initialize and convert. So yeah, do that, and this will load, and then look, this, this. Wait, let's get rid of this pink right here. Alright, show you how this works. Go here, go to window, and then go to window in, window pipeline converter. Go to material upgrade, initialize and convert, save and continue. And then, alright, it may not work now, but it will set the textures and stuff to normal like this. How this is like grayish, it will set it all to, it will be good. But yeah, it'll set it all to normal. I don't know why I pressed it, but yeah, this is how to set up third person movement. And then you guys can watch like other videos, not from me, but from other people, I guess, like other channels on how to like add your own characters and stuff, and add like different like buildings and stuff. But yeah, that's how you set up third person movement. So yeah, and then you can jump to space, and then use W to walk, A to go forward, D to go right, and S to go here, and then shift to run. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye guys.